The old exterior clay, weeping tiles, and downspout connections must be adapted to ensure proper water flow and full protection of the new foundation level. We start by disconnecting the downspouts from the storm system to minimize the amount of stormwater entering it. Next, the existing exterior weeping tile is connected to the new interior weeping tile system. This transition is carefully integrated during the underpinning process, with the connection cast directly into the new concrete footing. We install a new weeping tile system around the entire interior perimeter of the basement. This pipe collects groundwater and moisture from all areas and directs it to the sump pump location, ensuring proper drainage and keeping the new basement dry and protected from hydrostatic pressure. All collected stormwater flows into the sump tank. When the water level rises to a set point, the sump pump automatically activates and discharges the water outside through a 1.5-inch ABS pipe, keeping the basement dry and protected even during heavy rainfall or high groundwater conditions. After the drainage system is installed, we apply a waterproofing membrane to the interior foundation walls. The membrane runs from the top of the wall down to the bottom of the underpinning, covering both the old footing and the new concrete. Its job is to capture any water that seeps through the walls and joints and direct it down into the weeping tile pipe. This way, the system safely collects and removes moisture before it can reach the finished basement space.